Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The dispute between Ṣàngó and Ọbàtálá, Patakin. There was a time when the earth was without a ruler, and a strong dispute arose between Ṣàngó and Ọbàtálá over who would govern it. The conflict became so intense that Ṣàngó challenged Ọbàtálá to decide the matter through combat, both armed with their own axes. Ọbàtálá, tired of so many arguments, accepted the challenge, but he knew he would lose to Ṣàngó, who was younger, stronger, and faster. So Ọbàtálá went to the house of Orunmila, who cast this Ifa for him and prescribed a rogacion ritual offering with akuko Meyi, 2 roosters, aso funfun, white cloth, dundun, talking drum, melon seeds, the necessary ingredients, and awo, money. He told him to offer one akuko to Esu Elegba and the other to Pugun, so that he might win the dispute. Elegba, after eating the akuko, said to Ọbàtálá, "My father, let us go and speak with Dugun, so he may forge the axes for the duel." They went to Wagun's house, and when they arrived, Ọbàtálá gave him the akuko, and Dugun said, "Don't worry, you will not lose this fight." Elegba and Agun prepared the axes. For the one that would be given to Ṣàngó, they crafted a split handle, but in such a way that he wouldn't notice the trap. When the day of the fight arrived, Olófin presided over the dispute and gave the order for the combat to begin. Ọbàtálá took the good axe, and Ṣàngó took the other without noticing anything unusual. Ṣàngó struck 2 powerful blows to the ground, knocking Ọbàtálá down, but when he went for the third strike, the axe handle broke, and Ọbàtálá seized the opportunity to throw him to the ground and make him surrender. Olófin, seeing the outcome of the fight, said to Ọbàtálá, "From this moment you will rule here on earth." Ṣàngó, upon hearing Olófin's words, knelt before Ọbàtálá and said, "Your blessing, my father," and Ọbàtálá gave it to him. Sometime later, Ṣàngó learned, through one of Ọbàtálá's own Omo, children disciples, of the trick they had played on him. Filled with rage, he climbed a palm tree and began to unleash his curse upon the earth. Note: through this path were born lightning phenomena, the curse, and the rebellion of the younger against the elder. The owner of this Ifa must make an offering, abo, to Ṣàngó in order to appease him, and must not trust even his own Omo,